How to create an item code in Tejo ERP. First, go to the Tejo ERP Engineering module. Here, you will see different types of code management options. In this process, I am creating a material code. Click on the plus icon. Before creating an item, you need to create a group. To create a group, go to Master Management, then select Group Management. Click on the plus icon. Now enter the group name. I am entering Item Code Test Group. Then mention the prefix and click on the Save/Create button. Your group has been created successfully. Now we will proceed with creating the material code. Select the group name you just created, select the item code prefix, and enter the item code suffix. This will form your item code. Select the material category and enter the material name. Then select the unit of measurement. Choose the settings that will apply to this code. Finally, select the GST and enter the HSN number. After filling in all the details, click on the Create button. Once you click on the Create button, your item code is created successfully. Now, you can use this created material code in your BOM. Thank you.